In this video, I will show you how to add a website to the home screen. So you can have a website that's somewhere here and you tap and you open the website immediately. So first and most important, open Chrome. So we are in Chrome now. Open the Chrome and go to one of your favorite websites, for example, eonhowto.com, just an example. And on the menu here, on the three dotted menu, tap there and you will find, this is the important part here, add to home screen. And when you tap add to home screen, you can give it a name. And now Chrome is adding this website like an app. It's installing it like an app. So it says app installed and you get it on your home screen right there. So, okay, I could move this to the main page. Now I have it here. And the name is the name I defined. The name is the original name I gave it. And when I want to open the website, it opens it like an app. And actually here it looks like an app. See, but you can open in Chrome browser here. So it opens in a web view. Once you open it in the Chrome browser, it's as usual. So I can close all the websites. I close all the apps. And even it shows me the favicon, the icon of the website. So that's pretty nice. I can click on a link, read some information here, and you are on the website and you can read it. The menu is working. Yeah, everything is okay, everything works. This is how you add a website to the home page. It's pretty quick if you have a website that you access all the time for recipes or how to, like, you could go to the website and search here and have it there, or you want to get to the website, the same website all the time, like a login page for your email provider. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.